We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Good morning, all of you. In last lecture, we study about the Cp minus Cv is equal to R and the only types of non-flow process, only the name. So today we are going to study about the different type of non-flow process: constant volume, constant pressure, isothermal, polytropic, and adiabatic. So what is the first thing? It is a constant volume process. This process is also known as isochoric. It is a MCQ. Okay. Now, in constant volume, as we know, the working substance is contained in the rigid cell. So, boundary of the system is immovable. So, what about the work? It is zero. Why it is zero? Because in previous, we know the equation of work done, W is equal to Cp minus Cv is equal to R. You can study about the work done equation P V2 minus V1. So, where volume is constant, so it is zero. Understand? Change in volume, it is zero. Now, if I want to draw the diagram, then here I share one whiteboard to you. Okay, so first of all, draw the pressure line. Okay, then after draw the volume line. Okay, so here I write down the pressure P, and here I write down the volume V. Okay, pressure versus volume. Constant volume means this line is the straight line, vertical line are there. Okay, and here you can write down the state 1, and here is state. So this line, it is indicate the V1 is equal to V2. Because of this, if I want to write down the equation for the work done, and first equation is a W. W is equal to P in bracket V2 minus V1. Okay, so here volume is constant, so it is zero directly. So in the bracket you can write down also that V2 is equal to V1, so it is zero. Okay, so it is equation number 1. First equation, work done. Then after, second equation is relation between pressure, volume, and temperature. Relation between P, V, and T. Relation between pressure, volume, and temperature. So for this, you have to prepare about the which equation combined case. So PV by T is equal to 6. So here you can write down P1 V1 by T1 is equal to V2 V2 by T2. Okay. So I write down the combined gas law equation for the both the state. Now what you have to write down here, volume is constant. So what is the equation? It is P1 by P1 is equal to P2 by P2. Understand? So you give the name equation number 2. So it is second, relation between pressure, volume, and temperature. Third is change in internal energy, means D, it is in a small letter. Change in internal energy, sign is U. Now, as I told in the last lecture that it is a common equation. Cp means M, Cv, either it is pressure or volume, equation is same, T2 minus T1. Understand? So it is equation number 3, change in internal energy. Fourth is, it is change in enthalpy. So it is the way, don't means it is not like that whatever the things are written in the book, the same procedure are you have to prepare for all the theory. In some theory it is required mandatory, in some theory it is not mandatory, understand? So for the preparation you can prepare like this. What is the change in enthalpy? It is dh, understand? What is dh? It is h2 minus h1. Okay, h2 minus h1. And what is h? It is u plus pv. So whenever you put the value and bifurcate the things, so it is a simple equation like the previous one. It is mcp t2 minus, understand? Okay. Now last one is according to first law, what is the heat transfer? So what is the sign? It is again it is q. Okay. Otherwise write down only q. According to u, according to q, what is, according to first law, what is q? U plus u plus w. What is u? mcv t2 minus t1. Okay. And what is w? It is 0. So in constant volume process, amount of heat transfer is equal to change in internal energy, du. Right or not? Okay. So it is equation number 4 and 5. It is equation number 5. So these 5 things is common in all the non-flow process. What is the 5 or 6 thing? One is PV diagram you to draw. Find out the work done, find out the relation, find out these 3 things: change in internal energy, change in enthalpy, and heat transfer. Okay. So it is which process? I write down the name so you can easily understand. It is a constant which process? Constant volume process. Volume constant. Okay. Constant volume process. And it is also known as the isochoric process. Understand? Now, if I minimize the things and look at about the second theory, then it is a constant pressure process. Which process? So based on the name, you can easily identify pressure is constant. So what is the diagram? Diagram is like Newton's law, Charles law. Understand? So again, I say it is a diagram of the Boyle's law. So here I share the second thing, and it is a whiteboard. Okay. So if I want to change this diagram, then I erase the things. Okay. And then this also and erase. Now again draw one vertical line, horizontal line, write down the pressure here, write down the volume here. Okay. Now constant pressure means straight line like a Charles law. Okay, write down state 1, state 2. Constant, constant pressure, that is one horizontal line up there based on the Charles law. It is state 1 and it is state 2. So here I write down the main things. It is P1 is equal to P2, remaining you know V1 and V2. Now what about the equation? What is the first equation? Work done is equal to P V2 minus V1. So here this is the equation for the constant volume. So here is it, and it is a main equation. So here I directly write down it is equation number 1. So why I don't erase the things? Because you can easily difference identify or bifurcate the difference between two, constant volume and constant pressure. Okay, so first one it is this. Okay, yes, this whatever the arrow I you can see with the equation of the this is okay. Now when I say the whiteboard, now what is the relation? In relation, pressure is constant. So here on V1 and here it is V2. So here I write down the equation here. Besides these equations, you can easily understand it is V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by, and why it is the follow the Charles law. So V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. It is equation number 2. Okay. So first one, it is the equation for the constant pressure, it is the constant volume. So here again I draw one spot line here. Okay. Now here the third thing is del du, it is same, and cv dh it is same. So it is my, so I told you that it is a way to prepare the things. And what is dh, it is also same. So which thing is changed? The thing which is changed, it is only first two equation, remaining is same. Understand what is change in internal energy? It is mcvt2 minus t1. What is dh and cpt2 minus t1? What is dq according to first law, u plus w? So here you can see that w is 0 in this process, this process. Okay, but here what happened? Here w is not 0, so here I write down the equation like this. What is u? What is q? U plus w. So what is u? mcvt2 minus t1. What is w? pv2 minus v1. So here I write down the things. Q is equal to, what is u? M cv t2 minus t1 plus, what is w? pv2 minus v1. Okay, it is equation, it is 0 for the constant volume. So if I write down the pv is equal to mrt, then m and r, it is common out like this. v minus cv is equal to r. Okay, repeat this theory also, apply the same method. Now in cp minus cv, the things are cancel out, but here what is the value of r? Cp minus cv. So if you put the cp minus cv and bifurcate the equation, here again we get the equation is like that. M cp, okay, t2 minus t1. And how you can simplify? If you put the r is equal to, here I write down the equation so you can understand. Okay, what is r? It is, what is the value of r? Cp minus c. Okay, so when bifurcate that, then cv cancel out, then only mcp2 minus t1 will be whatever there you write down the name of the equation. It is equation number 5. So what is the difference between constant volume and constant pressure process? Okay, so today we study about only two process. One is the constant volume and one is the constant pressure process. So there are minor difference. You can simplify or you can change the PV diagram as well as work done. Q and PV, T, U and H, it is same. So now I clear the things and close the whiteboard. So in next lecture we study about the remaining three process: adiabatic, temperature and polytropic process. Thank you very much.